In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an account from Messenger. But first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Messenger. To do that, you have to go to Google Play Store and then type Messenger and click Update. Now, once you're done, you can go back to your Messenger and do this tutorial. So the question is how to remove an account from Messenger. All you have to do is just simply click your profile name, specifically this arrow facing down. And there you can see all the Messenger accounts sync to your device. Now, in order to remove, all you have to do is to long press and slide it to the left. And you can see there a delete icon or option. Tap that one, and that's how you delete a messenger account on your device. But always remember before removing, you must have the copy of your password or you must remember the password, something like that. So this is the first method. Now the second method on how to remove an account from Messenger is to simply exit from your Messenger application. Go to your phone settings, scroll down, and tap this users and account. Make sure that you're using the email address of your messenger. Scroll down to see the messenger application. Tap this one. Click the two dots at the top right corner and then click remove account. You can also do this to your other email address or other messenger. Do the same method, just simply go to users and account and switch or look for that specific email address that is connected to your messenger and then tap messenger application, click the two dots and click remove. So that's how easy it is to remove an account from Messenger. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.